China is hoarding food. Yeah, you heard me right. China is hoarding food. For the last year, they have been on a massive food buying binge like never before seen in history. Our own United States Department of Agriculture estimates that by the first half of the crop year of 2022, they expect China to have 69% of the world's corn reserves, 60% of the world's rice, and 51% of the world's wheat. The U.S. Food and Agriculture Organization logged the cost of food at 30% higher today than it was a year ago, and many are blaming China's hoarding food for the inflation. So what are we going to do? I propose we do what the world did in World War I and World War II. They started what's called victory gardens. United States did it, the UK did it, Canada, Germany, and Australia. People started putting in gardens in their backyard, in common park space, anywhere they could. In 1942, there was 20 million victory gardens in the United States, and that's when the population was only 132 million. By 1942, 40% of the vegetables eaten in the United States came from these victory gardens. I'm suggesting that that's what we need to do today to take care of ourselves, our families, our neighborhoods, our communities. So I'm taking action. We have formed this 10,000 plus square foot garden for the sole purpose of teaching as many people as we can how to grow food for their families, for their community. And I'm working with a man named Fred Billings, who has been in our area, the Houston, Texas area, the largest organic grower for 10 years. The man knows what he's doing. We're going to be teaching you how to set up an area to grow food, whether it be in your backyard, or whether if you have land like this, or if you live in a rural community. And then after that, it's all like common, the same thing for all of us, like how to plant the seeds, how to do transplants, how to take care of weeds, how to harvest, how to deal with pests the organic way. And what we're going to be doing is, if people come to the class every week, that's in person. But I'm going to be posting every week, I'm going to be posting videos of what we did so that you can follow along and you can grow your crops, your food at home wherever you are and go along with us. So I hope you will join us. Once the food comes in, I'm then going to show you how you can can the food, either freeze it or in jars or to preserve it for a year or two to come. Okay? I'm really excited. I hope you will be a part of it and join us each week. I'm Sandra Martin Hicks, and I'm the founder of Heartstone Network.